Scan the QR code and download the JBD app. Both Android and Apple systems allow for downloading. When you've finished downloading, log into the app. The following is the registration process for the JBD app. After successful registration, log into your account. Scan the QR code for the Bluetooth address to connect to the BMS. Or search for the Bluetooth address or device name in the device list. There are two connection options: Bluetooth connection and Wi-Fi connection. When connecting via Wi-Fi, the BMS must be set to the 2.4 Hz network. On the summary data page, the BMS automatically calculates and aggregates information for parallel connected batteries. If the device is not configured in a parallel setup, only information for a single battery is displayed. This page displays key information, such as battery charge percentage, voltage difference, temperature display, maximum and minimum voltages, etc. If multiple batteries are connected in parallel and you want to view data for a single battery, you can click on Pack Data and use the toggle in the upper right corner to view data for a single battery group after parallel connection. There is only one battery pack here, so only pack 1 is displayed. If you want to modify the parameters of battery pack, click Parameter Settings. The pack 1 icon in the upper right corner indicates that you are currently modifying the data for battery 1. If you want to connect 7-8 batteries in parallel, you don't need to adjust the parameters for each one individually. On the Parameter Settings page, click the Pack button in the upper right corner, choose Combined, and you can modify the parameters for all battery array. There are 13 types of settings here. Which ones need to be configured? Don't worry, the BMS parameters are all pre-configured at the factory. You don't need to adjust any of these settings. You only need to modify the capacity parameters. If you wish to modify the parameters yourself, be sure to pay close attention to settings such as overvoltage, undervoltage, and overcurrent. Be sure to consult a sales representative before making any changes. These two parameters must not exceed the BMS's maximum current rating. It is also important to modify the inverter protocol. Click Inverter Protocol to view the CAN and RS485 communication protocol types. Based on the inverter's serial communication port type, select the corresponding protocol, then select the inverter of the corresponding brand.